How to update your microphone drivers on Windows 11. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to update your microphone drivers on your Windows 11, follow these easy steps. So first and foremost, tap on Windows plus Run to open the Run tab, or you could just type device drivers on the search bar. Once you have tapped on it, tap on the first option of Device Manager from the control panel. After that, tap on or search for Audio Input and Outputs. Once that is done, click on the drop-down menu and you will see the option for microphone. Choose your microphone that is currently connected and then right-click. After that, tap on Update Drivers and tap on the first option, which is Search Automatically. If it is already installed, tap on Search for Windows Update. This should now open Settings and then the Windows Update for microphone. Click on Download and Install, which will install the latest version of drivers as well as any updates available. And just by that, you have successfully updated your microphone on Windows 11. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.